Good day everyone, I am Emanje Adaviruku. In this video, I want to take you through drainage frequency mapping and analysis in ArcGIS. This module is a very good one that I think will help a lot of people. These are the steps we will follow to achieve this drainage frequency mapping and analysis in ArcGIS. So we follow all these steps one after the other. And step 1 is to add your digital elevation model and your study area boundary to GIS environment. Let's get started. So I'll open ArcGIS and bring in my digital elevation model and the boundary of my study area. To do that, click on Add Data. Then navigate to your working folder. Here is my working folder and here is my digital elevation model and my study area boundary. I'll select the two and click on Add. Yes, here is my study area. Let me change the boundary of my study area to hollow and click on OK so that you can see my digital elevation model. Now we have successfully brought in our digital elevation model and the boundary shapefile. So the next step is fill them. That is step 2. So let's go back to ArcGIS. To fill them, come to Arc Toolbox. Come to Spatial Analysis Tool. Come to Hydrology. Click to expand it. And here you can see fill. Double click to open the tool. When it's open, input service raster. Select your digital elevation model. And then output service raster. Navigate to your working folder. Here is it. Let's just call it fill. Then click on save and click on OK. This will run and fill the dam. The time taken depends on how large is your study area. Yes, the fill dam is done. The next step is to create flow direction. So to do that, come back to this hydrology and here you can see flow direction. Double click to open it. Then input service raster. This time around is going to be the fill dam. So click on fill and our output flow direction raster. Click here and navigate to your working folder. Let's call it flow direction. And then click on save and click on OK. This will create the flow direction for this raster. Yes, the flow direction has been created. Now, the next action or step is to create the flow accumulation. To do that, come here, you can see flow accumulation under hydrology. So double click to open the flow accumulation tool. Then input flow direction raster. Click here and input your flow direction. Then output accumulation raster. Click here, navigate to your working folder. Let's call this flow accumulation. Then click on save and click on OK. This will create the flow accumulation for this area. Yes, the flow accumulation is generated. As it is, you may not be able to see it clearly. Now let me collapse this. Let me uncheck this. So here we have our flow accumulations. What we can do is we can right click and come to properties. So come to symbology. So here instead of percent clip, you can choose histogram equalize and click on OK. So you'll be able to see, if you zoom in, you'll be able to see the raster format of the streams. However, we are not yet done. Now let's look at the next step. Our next step is classifications. We have to classify it. Let me show you what I mean by classification in this scenario. So let's go back to ArcGIS. Now, after you have calculated your flow accumulations, come back to that very layer, right click and click on properties. So now instead of straight, click on classify, then click on classify here, click on classify. So here we are going to classify into 2, click on 2, and here are the first range or break value. Let's enter 5,000 for instance, and click on OK, click OK. Here the symbol for the first range, which is 0 to 5,000 value, so we are going to change this to white, and this second value, double click it and change it to blue for example, and click on OK. So now you can see that we have been able to display the drainages, though in raster form. So you can see the drainages in this very area. You have idea of how it looks like. So of course you can change the value. If you lower the value, smaller or tributaries will be shown, and if you increase the value, only large streams or rivers will be shown. Now after we have done these simple classifications, this is just classification we have done, is to enhance these streams so that we can see them very well. So now we have idea of the range we are going to use in the next step. So our next step is to create stream order, and for us to create stream order, this is what we need to do. Let's go back to ArcGIS, come to map algebra under spatial analysis tool. This is map algebra, click to expand it, then open raster calculator. Now we are going to use that flow accumulation. We want to extract the streams that are greater than 5,000 in raster value. So what that means is that you are going to input this formula, flow accumulation greater than 5,000. So what we mean is that in this flow accumulation raster value that are greater than 5,000 should be extracted. Then our output raster, click here, navigate to your working folder. Let's just call this raster calculator for instance, and click on save, then click on OK. So let's wait and see what the result will be. Yes, here is it. Let me uncheck this. So what it does is that all values that are less than 5,000 has been given 0, and value greater than 5,000 is now 1. So now that we have done this, let's see the next step. The next step is to create stream order. Stream order is what we want to create now. So from here, under hydrology, come to stream order, double click the stream order, then input stream raster. This raster calculator we just calculated will be our stream raster. This is our raster calculator. The one we call raster calculator is the one we are going to use as the stream raster. Then our input flow directions, click here and select your flow direction. Then our output, click here, navigate to your working folder. Let's call it stream order. Then click on save. The method of stream ordering, we are using Strala. So click on OK. Yes. So let me now uncheck this. You can see our stream order. We have order 1, order 2, order 3, order 4. We have 4 stream order in this very area. So we have calculated the stream order. The next step is to convert this stream order to feature. So to do that, come back to this hydrology and come to stream to feature. Double click to open the tool. Input stream raster. Our stream raster will be our stream order. Then input flow direction raster. Click here and select your flow direction. Then navigate to your folder and call this drainage. Then click on save and click on OK. So it will convert the stream raster to feature, that is raster to vector. Yes, you can see it. So let me uncheck this. You can see that it has converted. We have successfully extracted the streams or drainages in this very area. And now right click this drainage and open the attributes table. Here you can see Greek code. Remember that we have order 1, order 2, order 3, order 4 of our stream order. Now this Greek code, we are going to make use of it. The next step, after we have converted the stream to feature, that is, we have extracted drainages in this area, the next step is to dissolve. The essence of dissolving is that if you look here, we have stream order 1, so many stream order 1s that are broken into individual streams. So we want to merge them together, and the process we want to use to do this quickly is dissolve, such that instead of having, if you look here, 273 features, we are going to have just 4. That is, we want to merge all the stream order that are the same together. That is essence of this dissolve. So to do that, come to geoprocessing. Then here you can see dissolve. Click on it, and then input feature, that is going to be our drainage. Then our output feature, click here, navigate to your working folder. Let's call this drainage dissolve. Then click on save. Now the field we want to use to dissolve it is our Greek code. Click on it, then click on OK. So what it does is that all streams order that are of the same order will be merged. Yes, it is done. Now you can see our drainage dissolve. If I right click it and open the attributes table, you can see that all stream order 1 has been merged together into single feature. Likewise, stream order 2, stream order 3, and stream order 4. Now the next thing we need to do after we have dissolved it like this, the next step after dissolving feature is stream frequency calculation. So to do that, here we are going to calculate stream frequency, and to do that we have to add another field. Click on table options and click on add field. So the field we want to add is frequency. So click on here and choose double or integer and click on OK. So now the next actions we want to do is calculation of stream frequency. So how do we do that? To do that, come back to the drainage we have already produced. Right click it and open the attribute table. When you do that, you can double click to rearrange the green code. So all the stream order 1, click on the first one and move to the last stream order 1, which is this. So hold your shift key and click on it to highlight it. You can see that they are 157. So write this value somewhere. Stream order 1, it occur 157. Then stream order 2, click here to select it, stream order 2. Then move your cursor down to the last one, which is this. Hold your shift key and select the last one. So the stream order 2 are 73 in number, that is frequency is 73. You can see it here. So the stream order 3, click here to select the first one and move to the last one, which is this. Hold your shift key and click here. So stream order 3 is 30. So write it somewhere. Then for stream order 4, click here and move your cursor to the last one, which is this. Hold your shift key and click here to select all. So it's 13. So write it somewhere also. So we've been able to establish that stream frequency for order 1 is 157, stream order 2 is 73, stream order 3 is 30, and stream order 4 is 13. So we can close this page. Then come to our drainage dissolve, which is what we are working with now. Right click and open the attributes table. Now our frequency, now we are going to input it. To do that, put it in editing mode. Right click on this layer, come to edit feature and click on start editing. Then stream order 1 is 157, enter it, 157. Then stream order 2 is 73, stream order 3 is 30, stream order 4 is 13. You can see we have entered all. Then you can now close this and click on editor and click on save edits. Then you can stop editing. Yes, so you can see now how we calculated the stream frequency, how we calculated it. You can see it now. Now the next actions is stream frequency or density mapping. How do we now convert this to map? So to do that, let me show you. Come back to your spatial analyst tool and come to density. Click to expand it. Now we are going to use line density. Double click it. When it opens, input poly features. That is going to be our drainage dissolve. Click here and select the drainage dissolve, the one we have calculated the frequency for. Then population field. Click here and select frequency. That is the population field. Then our output raster. Click here, navigate to your working folder. So let's name it as drainage frequency. Drainage frequency map. Then click on save. The name is too long. We can reduce it to just drainage frequency. Yes, it has accepted it. Then our output cell size is optional. We can set it or leave it as it is. Then environment. We have to set the environment. Click on environment. Our processing extent. We want our study area. So select the study area. Then scroll down. Raster analysis. Scroll down and come to mask. We want to mask it with our study area. Then click on OK. And finally, click on OK. So it will run and generate the drainage frequency map or density map for us. Yes, you can see it. Let me zoom out. Here is our drainage frequency map. This is drainage frequency map. You can see it here. Now we can classify it by right clicking the layer and click on properties. When it opens, you can change the number of classes, let's say to 5, and then change the color and click on OK. Yes, you can see our drainage frequency map. You can see it here. So we can also modify it. Right click here, come to properties. Then let's format this label by clicking on format label. So instead of 10 decimal places, let's make it 2 decimal places and click on OK. Yes, it's fine now. If you like this video, buy me a coffee. You can check the description box. You see how to buy me a coffee to encourage me. Thank you for watching. This is how to generate drainage frequency map in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.